I enjoy working with my hands. That's kind of why I got started in welding and fabrication. I enjoy taking raw materials and making something of it. It's a bit of an artistic technique, and then it's also trying to make something repetitive and the same every time. I grew up in Lansing, Illinois, which is near Chicago. I started out with tradesmen, and it's basically a contract welder. So I would go out to different sites. Nick's is one of them. I've been at R&M, Custom Fab, and the Coatings Division. They were looking to hire somebody, and they saw the work that I did for them in the past and asked me if I would be interested in hiring on. I really enjoy who I work with. I think it's a great division, especially here at Custom Fab. You have a lot of freedom, but there's guidance, there's great leadership, and just like they say, you know, it's like family, so that's what brought me on. You learn something new every day. I enjoy doing what I do and wouldn't have it any other way. Wouldn't think of doing anything else.